This is the building where I live. I cross the street right there. I am on the other street, and that's the tall building. That's the building where I live. And this is the Vermont. From there, there you go. It's a 13th floor. And from here, this is the Vermont and 12th Street. And from there, going to Pico and Vermont. And now this is the building where I live. That's amazing. It's a tall building like a hotel. I am here now on the street, but I have my walker right there. Now, on the next door, there's a moro, a marketplace selling buko, papaya, bayabas. And that's another low-income apartment over there. This building is a senior citizen building. Now, that area, I'm going to the Bank of America. Do you see that Bank of America? The red Bank of America is in front of our building, and this is the police station right here. And this, I walk, go to the bank with my walker. I have a walker here. Bye bye now, I just got the view.